Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to configure this ws2812b RGB LED strip, which is the addressable LED strip, with the help of our Arduino Uno board using Arduino IDE software. Okay, but for Arduino IDE software we are going to use here our Raspbian Buster legacy version. Of course you can use here Windows machine for Arduino IDE software. Okay, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. Okay, now first I am going to show you how to connect the RGB LED strip with the Arduino Uno board. Okay, so friends, as you can see, the RGB LED strip, it has three wires, the white one, green one and the red one. So white one is basically for the ground, and the green one is basically for the data pin, and red one is basically for the power, means the live. Okay, so white wire which I have connect with the Arduino Uno board ground. Okay, as you can see, so white is connect with the ground, and then the green color wire, which is the data, which I have connect with the pin number 5, as you can see, the pin number 5. Okay, and then the red color wire which I have connect with the 5 volt. Okay, this is what the 5 volt, okay, of Arduino Uno. So red color wire connect with the 5 volt, green color wire connect with the pin number 5. Here it is, as you can see, pin number 5, and the ground connect with the ground. Also I have shared the diagram inside my repository. Okay, now we are going to move on our desktop Raspbian Buster legacy version. So friends, now we are on our Raspbian Buster legacy version desktop machine. For Arduino IDE, first we need to install the apps. Okay, as I mentioned, of course you can use here a Windows machine for Arduino IDE software. Okay, so on Raspbian Buster legacy version, first we need to install the apps for installing the Arduino IDE. So I have created here a repository, Arduino RGB LED strip, Arduino Uno RGB LED strip. I will mention the link. You need to simply copy the link, and inside the browser you need to paste the link. Okay, then go to the code, copy the link from here, open terminal, and we are going to clone the repository. So command is what? Sudo git clone and paste the link and just hit enter. It will clone our repository. Okay, now we have our repository. So we need to open the file manager, and inside that, as you can see, this is what our folder, Arduino RGB LED strip. Okay, and as I mentioned, this is what our diagram, how to connect the RGB LED strip with the Uno board. Okay, 5 volt, then the 5 number pin and the ground. Okay, so this is how you need to connect the RGB LED strip with the Uno board. Okay, then we have here install txt file. Inside that we have the command for installing the apps on our Buster. So copy the command and just paste the command inside the terminal and just hit enter. It will install the apps automatic on our Raspbian Buster legacy version. Okay, so it's now installing. So friends, we have installed our apps. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to simply open our menu, accessories, and apps, and all apps, and Arduino, and then you will see this kind of window. Okay, as you can see, the Arduino already installed. Because I have already installed it, you need to simply, it will automatically install the Arduino IDE on our Buster legacy version. That's it. Now we have our Arduino IDE software ready. Now simply what we want to do, we want to first connect our Uno board with our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so I have connect the board with the Raspberry Pi 4 using our normal cable. Okay, simple, the Arduino Uno cable. So now go to the programming, Arduino IDE. It will open our Arduino IDE software. Okay, so friends, our software is open. Of course, if you are on the Windows machine, you need to open Arduino IDE software. Okay, now go to the sketch, include library, add zip library, and we are going to add our library. So we have our repository inside /home/pi. Okay, and as you can see, Arduino RGB LED strip, this is what our library, and inside that we have our library file, the zip file. Okay, select it, click on OK, and it will automatic unzip the file. As you can see, library added to your library, so it will automatic unzip the library file inside our Arduino folder. So now if I open the file manager, This is what our Arduino folder, libraries folder, and inside that, as you can see, we have the fast LED master folder. That's it. Now what we want to do, we want to simply open the fast LED master folder, examples, then inside that we have our sketch. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to close the Arduino IDE software and simply we are going to open the sketch. Click on open and it will automatically open the sketch with the help of Arduino IDE software. Okay, so it's now opening. So friends, as you can see, our software is open and the LED pin is 5. Okay, so now what we want to do, go to the tools, Arduino Uno board, Arduino AVR board, Arduino Uno. Okay, again go to the tools and port, and because we are on our Raspberry Pi 4 system, so it says /dev/tty acm0 Arduino Uno. So this is what our board. Of course, if you are on the Windows machine, you will see the COM port. Okay, so here we need to select /dev/tty acm0 Arduino Uno. This is what our board selected, and now we are ready. We need to simply upload the sketch, so click on upload. So now as you can see, our sketch is uploading and we have successfully uploaded the sketch, and I can see the RGB LED strip is working. Okay, so this is how friends you can control the RGB LED strip with the help of Uno board. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.